May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. Lordship, maybe adjourn for the day.
We have kept very little matters so that you can hear and dispose of few.
Lordship, my senior has some personal difficulty.
Okay, after 2 weeks. Okay. Is the adjournment slip for item 6?
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, bring to adjourn, Lordship, item 3, Lordship. And we have a
See,
Mr.
we have very few matters. Yeah,
Today
yeah.
accommodation will be given, Lordship.
There's something in this record. Just a moment. Maybe item 4. Item 6, adjournment. 2 weeks. Yes, adjournment slip this.
Three. Lordship, I'm seeking accommodation for 3, Lordship.
6 adjournment slip আছে. That's right. Oh, अच्छा, item 3. Yes, what is your prayer?
Item 3 may be adjourned. I'm praying on behalf of Mr. Priya, Lordship. 2 weeks accommodation will be given, Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, item 3. Yes.
There was an interim, kindly that may be continued.
There's no interim. There's no interim here.
May I please, your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 7 and 8, your Lordship. May it be adjourned for the day, your Lordship.
It's not for a day because you see, we are keeping less matters for the hearing day, and then if every matter is adjourned.
Any other day, your Lordship.
You should have told us yesterday. We would have listed more matters. Okay, list on Monday.
No, oblige, your Lordship.
212. Hmm?
6-0 sleep.
6-2. Adjournment.
Item 1 for hearing. ऊपर नहीं सब दिलू
Yes, there is no evidence left.
Lordship, case was decided under IMDT Act, Lordship.
Correct, but
and-
you did not give any evidence. There's nothing-
Lordship, but that is true. Lordship, kindly have a look at Annexure 1, page 14.
If you don't give an evidence, that means you have admitted that you are a foreigner. You can apply under 6A, you apply under 6A.
Lordship. And his name was also registered, Lordship. Annexure 1, Lordship, page 14. His name was there. And photocopy at page 15, Lordship. 14 is the type copy. Narayan Chandra Sutradar, 4 years. Lordship, it is on 16/9/1958. His father, Pratik Sutradar.
And again, in the previous orders, we have recorded that you have not explained the delay. And you have not taken any steps to explain the delay.
Lordship, delay due to that time he was not aware about the order, Lordship, although there is a deportation order, but
No,
Honorable
he
Court-
appeared before the tribunal. He can't say that he is not aware.
but so
There's
far
no
as
explanation.
order part, Lordship, his legal
No, that also
counsel
explanation is not there.
properly advised him.
That, no, you don't blame others. There's an order of this court
Lordship,
on 17/12/2018.
Lordship, I have actually forgotten, otherwise we may be allowed
No,
some time.
19/11/2018.
Lordship,
In terms of our earlier order, an additional affidavit has been filed by explaining the delay in approaching the court, whether the grounds assigned in explaining the delay are sufficient or not. The same would require further consideration. So now we'll consider that.
Lordship, then a week time may be given.
No, you
Additional.
see,
Otherwise,
the court gives you an opportunity, you file an affidavit. In order to explain the affidavit, you can be allowed to file another affidavit.
but that.
What happens if the second affidavit is also not up to the mark? Then you file a third affidavit.
Lordship will be fine. Lordship, we have filed additional affidavit.
No, you approach the authorities and apply for registration. Now you have the amendment in the Citizenship Act. If you don't give an evidence, how do you know that this is a correct document and not manufactured one, annexure one? You don't have any way to know that. And we can't substitute ourselves to be a finding of court recording a finding of fact. You can only record your statement that this order will not be a bar for you to apply under the amended part of the Citizenship Act. Mr. Sharma, this, can you make an inquiry with regard to this veracity of annexure one?
Yes, Lordship, I can,
Please make an effort.
yes, sir.
What size they represented? You give a better copy. This is not readable.
Yes, Lordship.
You have a better copy.
Not with me. I have,
But then otherwise they will not be able to do it.
Lordship.
You
I'll
must have
collect and there is some Lordship furnished to my.
within 2 days from today. So L.R. Majumdar and the counsel for the petitioner shall provide legible copy of annexure one to Mr. G. Sharma and then 20% for the FT matters. So as to enable him to make an effort to obtain instructions as to the authenticity of said annexure one, which is a certificate of registration and under section 5 within bracket 1 within bracket small a oblique bracket small d of the Citizenship Act of 1955, which was issued purportedly issued on 16/9/1958.
Proportion কম।
Property by the then Deputy Commissioner Nagaon. List after 4 weeks. Mr. Sharma,
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. 4 weeks, Kumar. On which day the Land Council for the petition shall also address the court on the delay in and latches in filing this writ petition.
Like,
Item 2.
May I please your lordship? Lordship may take it after some time. My senior is on life support 19.
Item 4.
If possible, Lord, kindly accommodate for it, Lordship. I don't have the file this item 4. Item 4, Lordship, I don't have the file, Lordship. If possible.
Sorry, my lord. May I pray, my lord, to take up the matter? Second half, my lord. I could not go through the records. I find, my lord, reading my brief that one point is there. Sorry, my lord.
Extra copy is in this.
Extra copy तो नहीं. ये बोला ये अपना photo है. My lord, I find one point, my lord. Mother was examined, and mother's evidence is not totally discussed. And mother was also facing a proceeding. Mother was declared not foreigner. That part has not been discussed in the impugned judgment. my lord. That is my crucial point in the case. my lord.
Okay, go through the records.
My lord.
There are three proceedings.
My lord.
There are three proceedings.
Three proceeding, one against father, one
Father
against
died.
mother, father died. Everything is
And-
brought on record. my lord.
And when the father died, was the case abated or it was,
It
the
was
opinion was?
something like abated, my lord. He just received notice, in the meantime died. So that death report has been punished before the court, my lord.
Okay, just look at that.
My lord.
About three proceedings, okay.
Lordship may take up the matter, giving me some short time to go through the records, and it may be taken up in this half, my lord, not in the second. My lord.
Item 9.
No, my lord, in this matter, the petitioner, my lord, has produced many documents, but I could not go through properly the records. Although he has produced the original patta of his grandfather, that was not considered.
What is the document to connect you to your father and grandfather? It
Other
is-
than grandfather, lordship will find voter list of 1971.
No, no, voter is not,
Page-
voter
page
list is not a
20.
proof.
Lordship,
Voter list is not a proof of relationship. Tomorrow you may hold my voter list also. It is available
no,
in the
no, my lord,
internet.
generally, my lord,
No, no,
generally,
we don't know. You see, is it impossible that you can get hold of my voters list? Is it very impossible?
but generally, this is what my lord, generally, in all cases, my lord, if
No, don't say about your all cases. You tell us. You see, we can tell you about 100 cases where we have held The voter list is not a proof of citizenship, neither is a proof of relationship. Not one.
If voter list is not considered, my lord, then his patta is in the name of his grandfather. But in the name of his father, that was not transferred. Only the certificate issued by the Gabura.
Government has got nothing to do with the issuance of such certificate. That is not his work. He could have got a land certificate from the mandal or from the circle officer or a sub-deputy collector. Gabura has no business to give that certificate.
But Gabura is the minor local appointed person who can identify the person better than the malad other person.
It doesn't take us anywhere. You see, if these people were so authoritative, there would have been no land dispute in any village area.
But it is found that my lord, land was, patta was of old, 49 in the name of his grandfather. But ultimately, that has not been recorded.
What is the number of that exhibit? Exhibit number?
Lordship will find exhibit. Exhibit A, my lord. Exhibit A. In judgment also page 80 it has been recorded. Exhibit A is the annual Khiras Patta. He has also produced the legacy data of 1951. That was not considered on the ground that there is no official seal, but in the original I found that there is a seal of the office. Mm. G. Erroneous. No, stepmother, my mother happened. Simon Harris. Decision time, that should be taken to very evidence, decision it does. And 21. W2.
Leader? Huh? Yes, check this.
After settlement to open. Eight.
Wait, wait. Oh, okay.
And Mr. Gunjan Sharma, we are also wanting to know that. No.
I'm sorry, Lordship, it's not reading actually.
Oh, I see.
Capture for you. Or it is not captured.
It is not capturing.
Yes, Lordship, in his mobile.
I see, no, but what is it?
Certificate, yes.
It's not capturing.
Not captured.
Take this one,
Lordship.
whether it captures or not.
Someone will get, no? Capture করানো হবে।
Unable to scan. Unable to scan, it says.
No, it captures or not.
No,
No, not
No,
captured.
that's not one, certificate copy.
no, Lordship.
No, High Court, High Court.
Lordship. That is all.
No, but in our scanner, we can catch this High Court one. We are unable to catch the.
Court demon again. Court demon. Court demon.
So now you are got. You are using that. Only the scan user.
কিন্তু capture করছে না?
Scan. Capturing otherwise.
It's
It is
capturing.
capturing, Lordship. It is not
Some
capturing.
number has come.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
10264 something.
Okay. But in this document, it is not
No,
coming.
not capturing.
So, Mr. Nath, this, neither the tribunal could believe this certified copy, nor we are finding it to be authentic.
On this regard, my lord, I'd like to draw your lordship attention. In the judgment, page 84, that report from the election officer was called for. An election officer, it is mentioned in the bottom, page 84, that election officer through his letter dated so and so 2418 forwarded photocopies of the voter list. And which have been certified to be true copies. Election officer certifies that matter. Report was called for
It was called for.
Yes, madam, by the tribunal. And the election officer, it is mentioned and recorded in the judgment that a letter dated so and so 2418 forwarded photocopies of the voter list 66 to 70, page 84, bottom. Proved the said documents, my lord. Election officer did not come and prove, but certified copies was there, which have been certified to be true copies. Election officer has not proved before this tribunal, thereby making the same inadmissible in the eye of law.
But subsequent voter list, Lordship, everything is different, Lordship. There's discrepancy, name discrepancy, age discrepancy. All are having, Lordship.
Lordship may also verify and call for the report, whether these are genuine or not.
Mr. Nath,
Yes.
first come to page 2021.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship. 20 is the voter list.
It is 1971.
Yes, Lord.
Mahachora Borpeta Hodor,
Yes,
village Mahachora.
Lordship.
Now page 21. Jelar Rahman,
Lordship.
right?
Yes,
Then serial number 4, Abiron Nessa.
Lordship.
I think wife of Jelar Rahman.
Yes, Lordship.
Then Anwar Ali.
Anwar Ali.
Serial number 5, another Abiron Nessa. She is wife of Anwar,
Yes, my lord.
right?
Female 21.
Right.
Yes, my lord. Two. Same?
2 Abiron Nessa.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yes.
Now come to,
Age is also same, my lord.
no, come to page 23.
Lordship.
Keep both the page together.
20.
Zela Rahman, he becomes Zialu Rahman. Okay.
That may be.
Then Abiron Nessa,
Yes.
wife of.
Jialur Rahman.
Now Anwar Ali, he remains.
Yes.
Then Anwar Ali's wife becomes Mayamona Nessa. Mayamona Nessa is completely different from Abiron Nessa.
Yes, my lord.
So how it has become?
But
In 1985, Abiron Nessa become Mayamona Nessa.
it is stated that, my lord, father of the petitioner.
Let us see more.
mm,
Then come to
second
page
marriage.
89, 25.
Yes.
Anwar Ali, okay, son of Nasir. how Anwar Ali's wife become Imona Khatun?
Maimuna.
So Abiron Nessa became Mayamona Nessa. Mayamona Nessa became
Maimuna.
Mayamona and ultimately Imona Khatun.
That is Mo is there, my lord. Moimona.
Huh?
No, Mo is another. Mo is there, my lord. Mo is separately written. Mo and stop is there.
Okay.
Mo in
Okay.
my
So
lord.
how Abiron Nessa became Moimon Nessa? Moimona Nessa.
From the WS it transpires that my lord earlier wife expired. Thereafter she got second marriage.
Second wife.
Second marriage. And the petitioner has stepmother also. Two name is there.
Who is the petitioner's mother?
Petitioner's mother is Lordship Abirun Nessa. Abirun Nessa expired in 1985.
85.
Before 85.
Oh.
And
Okay. Abiron Nessa expired in
before 85, my lord. It stated that 85.
85.
Yes, my lord.
And your mother is Abiron Nessa.
Yes, my lord.
When your name appeared first, when your name appeared first in a voter list,
97.
97 page,
Lordship will find
26.
page 24. 25.
24.
Oh, that is 89. No, sorry. my lord.
24.
Page
No,
27. I guess.
27.
Yes, Lordship.
Bahadur Ali.
Yes, Lordship. Bahadur Ali. Son of Anwar Hussain. Somewhere Ali, somewhere Hussain, it is written.
Anwar Ali, Anwar Hussain. All are same.
All are same.
But Mr. Nath,
Lordship.
come to page 27. Sorry, I'm sorry. 29.
Lordship. That is the school.
How your mother became Moimona Khatun? If your mother is Abiron Nessa,
Lordship. That is issued in, my lord,
that is
2015.
Moimona Khatun cannot be your mother if your mother is Abiron Nessa.
Yes, my lord. That is
That story
name of
story goes haywire.
No, my lord. There is a stepmother.
Story is not reaching the destination.
That is wrongly written, my lord.
If your mother becomes,
Mother.
if your mother is Moimona Khatun, come to page 27.
Yes, my lord.
Moimona Khatun is aged 44. You are 24. So, this story,
No, my lord.
this story about
My lord. that is-
Abiron Nessa, Moimon Nessa is completely nullified by page 29.
No, my lord. Moimona, my original mother is Abirun Nessa. Original mother is Abirun Nessa. Stepmother, Moimona is my
It should-
stepmother.
No, otherwise, if your father dies, what it is written before it?
Before, yes, my lord.
Chandrabindu or late?
Hmm.
What is the difficulty in writing late? What is the difficulty, Mr. Nath? Writing late Abiron Nessa?
But Moyamona was alive in 2015.
But she is not your mother.
But school in school, my lord, it is
Oh,
written.
no. Your father will not give wrong particulars.
Generally, my lord.
What is the difficulty in writing late?
But stepmother's name was recorded in the school.
Because Anwar Ali is late. See page 29.
Yes.
See page 29.
Yes.
Anwar Ali is late.
Like, my lord.
But what is the difficulty in writing late Abidon Nessa?
Yes, my lord. That should be there.
Yeah.
But
Then it exposes your case.
stepmother's name was recorded, my lord.
But in 1985, he was alive, Lordship. 1985, put a disclose.
2000, this is issued in 2015. 2015, my lord. That may be wrongly written.
It cannot be discarded lightly, wrongly written. Man lies, document does not lie. Mr. Nath,
That is true. but
man
my lord,
lies, document does not lie. What it appears is it is presumed to be true unless it is discarded.
But some possibility is there, my lord, since she is the
Possibility,
stepmother.
perhaps,
Stepmother
might be.
generally comes up there. What is the name of?
There has to be some
Line drawn somewhere.
it shall be covered by section 114 that presumption can be drawn of
Because
such
in-
a fact. No,
Because in all other documents, mother name was Abirunnasa.
No, you see, again, there's another another aspect. Now, according to you, a statement made in the affidavit, whether that is right or wrong. Can a statement made in a affidavit be right or wrong?
This should be right.
Right. Now come to page 12 of your writ petition. Your father is not late. Correct. That is your affidavit. Now please come to page 46.
Last.
Again, your father is not late. This is in 2000. Your affidavit is in 2018.
Last.
This affidavit is of December 2017. Your father is not late. Page 48, there is another affidavit. Again, your father is not late. Then page 50, another affidavit of 2017. Your father is not late.
We are only son of. Late was not written.
29 says late. And that exhibit first, that land pata,
Last.
this is also something which goes against you. Because the Jamavati would have shown in whose name the land was inherited. The seal is not easily visible. That part is torn.
See is there, but it is not legible in the copy. Akbar native Phoenix. Akbar, na? Oh, so was it should be here?
Where is your written statement?
Return statement loss will find at page.
Okay, 52.
Loss. Equal to 78.
Okay.
Practically. This is টিকা তাহলে 1900 চনৰ আসামৰ maybe এই কাৰ্ডটো নাই anyway চনৰ আসামৰ ঠিক আছে
Let us see the original record.
Yes.
In evidence, Lordship specifically stated that Lordship, my mother's name is Moimona Khatun. There is no name of Babiran Nessa Lordship in evidence.
WS is not there. That's why we saw that
Yes.
WS. Is it stated anywhere?
Yes, treatment to that. Cross to nine, cross to nine. Take it to nine. Cross.
Cross part of the seven.
Cross part of the. Evidence.
No. No number. Okay, to sign number to record to sound. One line.
You can see that I did it. Stepmother, I will in this. You can see that. I will not want to do.
You can do number two. Old one is number.
Mr. Nath, in
Yes.
your written statement, page 55,
Lots.
para 9,
Lots.
here Abhiranesa has become your stepmother.
Lots.
Meaning thereby, if your mother is Moimonesa, then you were born 4 years earlier to your father's marriage with Moimonesa. Para 9. Stepmother's name as Abironnesa.
Awareness, Lordship.
Huh?
Mm.
But you are saying all along that Abironnesa is your mother.
And Awareness is the stepmother. my lord, I'm sorry.
Huh?
Moin,
No, as per our earlier discussion, Abironnesa was your mother.
mother. Here it is written as stepmother.
Then in your written statement, she is your stepmother. Meaning thereby, Moimonnesa is your mother. Yes, I think Moimonnesa.
Yes, sir. I think we are at that analysis. Moin, spread out. Hmm.
Mm. Mm.
What do you have to say?
Lordship, there is no link, Lordship, with his projected father whose names appeared in the voter list of 1966, Lordship. And apart from that, tribunal has rightly discussed about the voter list that Lordship translated copies of voter list is not acceptable as valid piece of evidence, Lordship. Then Lordship, only link certificate is Gaura's certificate, Lordship.
Just a moment.
A translated copy is not evidence. Your question is going. এই যে ইয়াতে কলে
Shifting. Oh, shifting the link. Yes, yes. So, one more place. President of the committee. Para. Yes, para 10. Para 10.
Hmm?
Para 10.
Para 10,
Mm.
yes,
Para 10.
yes, 56.
50.
Yes, sir. Lordship,
There is a barcode
yes, Lordship.
in that certificate copies at page 21. There's a barcode,
Yes, Lordship.
correct?
Yes,
Now, barcode you give a sticker or it's just a printed barcode?
that AI Ali can say, Lordship. Okay. But
Yes, Mr. Kuli.
Lordship. As per he's saying that Lordship, this is not a sticker, Lordship.
It's a printed,
Yes, computer generated.
computer generated printing.
Yes.
Then the
This comes in this form.
Public
66 also, sir. It's 16.
Is it the original you get after applying, or it is a photocopy? Ignore the seal, round seal.
Miller, generally as per my knowledge, every computerized printed documents, it come automatically generated.
I'm not saying that. Is it the original one, a photocopy of the? It does not. Prima facie, it does not look like so. You can prepare a seal anywhere, a round seal. In your corner shop also you can prepare shop, but seal, but that is original. I don't think that you get.
If it is, I don't think the seal will be there, my lord. If
seal
it
is there.
If it is.
No,
printed
that
for-
seal can be prepared anywhere without any seal, any date or something. But whether that copy which was marked as exhibit is an original one,
That is not sure, but cannot. Very difficult. Heading to अपना अपना कॉन्टेक्ट ना इसके पहले पहले अपना मेरी तो मानो को चाहिए नेक्स्ट प्रोसीजर
difficult to say whether it is a Xerox copy or original. But if it is a computer generated copy, certified copy to be issued by the department. Then that certified to be true, it
Yes,
is not
should be
there
there.
again.
Should be there.
Yes.
Select us.
নহয় ডেপুটি কমিশনার অফিসার ছিল
আমার এটা তো ঠিক নাই Oh, it's 71. আমার তো ঠিক নেই
Fine, because of the faded nature of the ink, it does not appear to be the one which you get from the office directly.
We'll take it up next week because today we don't have any record which contains a similar certified copy. Every day we get so many, but today when we are searching, we are not getting it. You just said we have to be satisfied. Can you get us a copy of
Any,
similar nature?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You take note of any one of this 1971 or any voter list.
এখানে দিব পারে এখানে দিব পারে
হুম। This page 19, 20. You have this page 20. Get us one copy of this.
হব পাৰে হব পাৰে আমি কওঁ আৰু এই certificate number টো
It can be both ways, either a copy or second is that you check the certificate. You have that certificate number, whether this is a correct copy.
Yes.
Because in scan code, we are not getting it. The QR scanner, we are not able to catch this correctness of this document.
Give me the sometime.
Huh?
I will get it by next week.
Okay, but do the cross checking, either the QR scanner that must catch it, then it's okay. And you also get it clarified because Mr. Sharma and Mr. P.N. Sharma was here. They were trying to catch it by QR scanner. Why a QR scanner will not catch it? That is also a query. If there is a QR scanner, it must ideally catch it, irrespective of whether it's a photocopy or not. And if it is a photocopy, in certain QR scanners, you get an information that it is a copy, not the original one. For example, the digital signature we do, if you capture a copy, it will say it's not the correct one. The digital scanned documents, even a photocopy will reflect that, but it cannot catch it. But it will state that it's not the original one. Does not bear the original signature. You're not saying anything, so just remember and do it.
Yes.
Says I represented Mr. H. Kuli, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. A.I. Avi, standing counsel for the Election Commission of India. Grace is granted time to inform the court about the relevancy of the QR code appended to the certified copy of voters list, a digital certified copy of electoral roll of the year 1971 within bracket Annexure 4, page 20-21. And to produce a copy of the same. Full stop. On such prayer, the matter stands adjourned today. List after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry. 1 week will be enough, or you need more time?
Enough.
Huh? 1 week is okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, yes.
Translated copies of voter list, Lordship.
No,
Translated.
he knows it. He has a
Yes,
copy. You have a copy of this.
Yes.
Yes, I.
It is part of the writ petition.
You want an adjournment?
Minus.
Hmm. Because even if you adjourn, you won't have that answer. Even if you adjourn, you won't have the answer. Okay, list after a week as prayed for by land counsel for the petitioner. All the respondents are represented.
Time being item 4.
My lord, item 4, Lordship. I am praying for accommodation for today, item 4.
Wow.
I don't have to find somewhere misplaced. Lordship.
Okay. Okay.
Next week, my lord.
Okay, both says are represented. List after a week as paid for by Mr. G. Sharma, and it's Standing counsel for the FT matters. You know, photocopy of
My lord, I will.
read petition.
My
Item 2,
You return him the copy later on, because it
Lordship,
has these
lordship.
markings and all.
Yes, Lordship. I will take care of it, Lord.
Your lordship, my senior is appearing on court number 2, lordship. So.
But that person will be able to do my final exam.
Next. Lordship, can. Lordship, can you fix on next week, lordship?
You're doing the matter, you're not doing the matter, because this is the last case we have in our board. You want to do the matter, you don't want to do the matter.
Lordship, my senior will appear in this case, my lord.
Item number
2, lordship.
2.
Lordship, can you fix on Monday, lordship?
No, not Monday.
No, hold on.
The clear made by non-counsel for the petition, the matter was adjourned today, list after a week.
On action due to non-payment of a rail revenue by an order passed by the district collector. Against that order, petitioner file approved before the Board of Revenue, Lanet Board of Revenue. The Lanet Board of Revenue also availed the order. Against that order, petitioner file CRP before here. And there is stay order. And matter CRP belongs to the year 2015. So matter may come on 6 December, so if possible, under order column. 6 December, if possible, let's say. Yes, under order column. Thank you, let's.
May I please? So I would like to mention item number 34 of the daily list listed before the Honorable Justice and Nandi Lordship.
That will be adjourned by default,
Yes, Lordship. So
because
this matter may be fixed on 3rd December.
all of the matters will go as leftover.
Yes, Lord.
Only where there is any mention to be made.
Yes.
So because all the matters will be because the board is not with us, so it will be otherwise adjourned.
Yes, Lord. However, this is urgent due to, because the title suit is pending on 6th December. A matter has not yet been, your Lordship, admitted. However, in the list has been listed as hearing column, Your Lordship.
Okay. Item number
34, Your Lordship.
item 34. The land council for the petitioner expresses some urgency in the matter. Stop list on 4/12/2024.
And the matter may be come in the list of column admission.
It will come, wherever it comes, it will come.
Hello.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention a listing of a fresh CRPIO, which has been filed today.
Filed when?
Filed today, for tomorrow, as because the judgment of the title appeal has been fixed on 3rd of December.
You have the filing slip number?
Yes, yes, I have.
Filing number is there.
Yes,
Otherwise, it will be rejected. Even if I allow it, it will be
Yes.
rejected.
I have the filing
Okay.
for tomorrow,
Okay.
Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Yes, item 1.
Single bench item 1.
Lord, the petitioner wants to withdraw the metro.
Okay. Both sides are represented. Upon instructions from Mr. B. M. Degar and counsel for the petitioner seeks to withdraw this application. Here is allowed, the contestant is dismissed from withdrawal.
Much obliged, my lord.
Item 2.
In this review petition, I am for the writ petitioner. The private respondent has filed a review application. One round is pleaded, that is so far as his name has been struck off, that may not be. And the other round is not pleaded though. It is that the direction ought to have been to the board, but it has been made directed to the executive officer concerned. I would practically not have an objection, but they may take up as further objection, I'm being honest, that officially the board was not a party. Executive officer was a party because we are representing to the executive officer. That's how the things went on. This morning, in court number, before my Lord Justice Sumitra Soikia, my Lord, another writ petition had come up with this. And there my Lord was pleased to direct us to approach the authorities, that is the board, on 16th of November, 16th of December, and the board to decide within 45 days. So this has nothing to do with this, the same issue. But this is whether Govinda Dev to stay or not. I would not have objected to, because let them say it's okay, fine. Some errors by lawyers also might have crept in, because otherwise they are legal errors. And so far as board, that also, although not pleaded, but I know they were submitting this point, that they ought to have been the board under section 177 and not the executive officer. The second point is not pleaded though. Or if it is taken
Where
that
is your friend?
well, he was there in the morning in that writ petition. Because now if this is not disposed, then things become murky. Comes here otherwise. But to the extent which he has placed in the review application only for the person, that may be allowed. Second, he has not even paid.
Okay. You catch him and bring it.
We tried because he was there only. We had a word he'll be coming.
We don't catch him from here. But
No. We had a word he'll be coming because second half my lord may not be. So therefore,
no, I'm here.
there are no matters.
Even if you may call him, you may tell him, he'll call us. Okay, you sit down.
This is by and large of the matter.
We'll take it up. Should just call, tell him. Item 3. You're there. the bail application is rejected.
সমিতিদের অর্ডারটা বললাম আমাদেরকে ডেকেছে 16 তারিখে।
এত তাড়াতাড়ি শেষ হবে আমি
তোমার কেউ নাইও?
ইমান সোনকালে শেষ হ'ব মই বুজি আপনারা চাহ খাইতে গেছেন
না আমি তো আছি, ক্ষতি হবে না।
না প্রতি
ওইটান তুমি যদি কোনদিন নাও থাকো ডিসকাস ডিফার করতে যে আমি ওইটাকে থেকে আমি বলবো মেল করে ওইটা বল আই এক্সপেক্ট দ্য সেম ফ্রম ইউ অ্যাজ কি বল এটা
করে লাভ কি?
লাভ নাই তার থেকে আমার মেরিটিভ 16 না 16-12
ওইটা তো অন দ্যাট ডে এপিআর তারপরে রিপ্রেজেন্টেশন
এটাও যাবে কি
আমি বোর্ডে দেখিনি
বল
মানে
ও
সেকেন্ড হাফে হবে একবারে ওই আজকে ওইভাবেই প্রিপেয়ার হয়ে আসছি বিকালে যাবো তো
আর এটার পর দেবাশিস আর ওখানে একটা আছে ইউটিউবের কথা বলে কি হয়
Sorry, my lord, actually.
Yes.
My lord, this review only with two aspects I have filed. One is regarding the deletion of the name of the Govinda Dev, respondent number 6. And another is to the direction is given to the executive officer, but as per rule, it should ought to have been given to the board.
You want the deletion of the name of the review petitioner,
No, no.
then
Kindly see page 11. In view of such categorical statement, this court is inclined to record that Govinda Dev is not a party who may be aggrieved by any order that is passed in the proceeding, as he does not claim ownership right over the property of his deceased wife. This part.
yes, that can be done. You see, we'll tell you why.
In the, kindly see the affidavit file in the writ petition, my lord. There is no such statement has been given. And apart from that, Govinda, after death of his wife, Govinda Dev automatically property devolves upon the spouse and her daughter, son and daughters. So by way of this order, a ownership of a person cannot be wiped out. When he acquired right by way of inheritance.
Now, this is a case where Mr. Banik wants to install a mobile tower on his house. And you are objecting to it.
That part is not before this case. This case is that he alleged that I have the construction has been made in violation of the terms of the Municipal Act without and deviate the permission, all these things. These are the allegations. Mobile tower question is not before this court. And he may not be objected because if the name of Govinda Dev is on in there, and when the order will be passed, all the party used to be heard.
No, you see, in affidavit paragraph 4,
Yes,
there's a clear statement that your wife is the owner.
wife was the owner. After death of wife, after
When
death
did the
of
wife die?
wife was the owner. It is wife was the original owner. Paragraph 4, kindly see of the affidavit.
Yes.
Since deceased,
Yes.
so automatically after death of wife, all the legal heirs are entitled. So by way of one submission, right of a person cannot be curtailed that he is not the owner or he has no right.
No, but when I read this, I clearly recollect. Even today, I recollect after so many years that this was a question put and answer given.
That,
Mr. Borguia was there, the advocate.
Huh?
Mr. Borguia was there.
Borguia was the lawyer.
But
Service lawyer.
that was not the correct position, my lord. As per law of inheritance also, the husband, spouse along with the husband and other son and daughters.
Yes, we have recorded, there was specific query. He has made a submission.
And another part, my lord, the direction was given to the executive officer and board was not party in this case. So as per rule, my lord, it ought to have been given to the board. And in fact, another writ petition has been filed by the writ petitioner. And in that case, today it has been disposed of with the direction to the board to dispose.
No,
of-
you see, last time also we put you a question. The, as on date, which is the last date of this proceeding, on that date also the executive officer was functioning
No,
in the board.
no, that question was raised. Then thereafter, on the query made by your lordships, it has come to that at that point of time, and as well as on today also, board is functioning, represented by chairman.
We had written to the executive officer initially, prior to filing of the first writ petition. Nothing happening, we came
So
to the
if it
court.
is, if the chairman is functioning now,
Now,
You
at
modify the
that
order
point of time,
to that effect. And if this,
It was in those circumstances because we had written to the executive officer concerned. He had not taken a call. We had come to the writ court. Honorable court passed the order accordingly.
and
Both would
this,
be correct submissions,
this man Govinda Dev,
my lord.
if he wants to participate, he will
Let him
participate.
participate.
yes,
16th is the date fixed for the hearing. So lordship may fix it also on the 16th, same day.
We're disposing it off then.
Absolutely, correct.
We're disposing it off if that is the position.
So
and-
let there not be too, I mean, what I'm trying to submit, my lord, with all humility. Since a date has been fixed by this honorable court for taking all on the representation of the hearing the parties as per law. So let the date be 16th onwards within 45 days. Then it would be the same time period, what I'm trying to submit. I can give a reference of the writ petition number also.
Give it.
WPC 7620 of 2023. Past today, this month.
Okay, order to.
Both parties, both of us were there.
Just a minute. Okay. Heard. Mr. S.K. Ghosh, learned counsel for the review petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Banik, learned counsel for the respondent.
Writ petitioner.
Here you are respondent, this is review petition.
yeah, that's the respondent number.
One.
Respondent number one. Respondent number one,
Others,
into bracket,
three.
rate petitioner. Next one. By filing this review application, the petitioner who was arrayed as respondent number 6 in the writ petition WPC 1749 of 2022 has prayed for review of the modification of the clarification of the order dated 20 January 2023 passed by this court in WPC 1749 of 2022. Next paragraph. The learned counsel for the petitioner, by referring to the stand taken in paragraph 4, sorry, it is paragraph 4.
Paragraph 4 statement, yes.
Paragraph 4 of the affidavit in opposition filed by the petitioner, as respondent number 6 in the writ petition, submitted that the stand of the petitioner was petitioner or stand of the petitioner, therein, was that his wife, Srimati Subha, Subha, Rani, RANI, next word, Dev, DB, within bracket, since deceased, bracket closed, was the owner of the land referred therein, comma, by virtue of the registered sale deed, comma, referred therein. Full stop. It is submitted that upon death of his wife, comma, the petitioner being the husband has a right of inheritance over the property left behind by his wife. And full stop. Accordingly, it is submitted that the response by the earlier counsel appearing for the petitioner in the writ petition that the petitioner is not the owner of the property in question is an erroneous submission, comma, which ought not to extinguish his right over the right of inheritance over the property in question. Next one. Next one. On the said stand of the petitioner, comma, the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 has submitted that on the on 20 January 2023, comma, when the matter was heard, comma, to the specific query of the court, comma, the response as recorded in paragraph 3 of the order dated 20 January 2023 was given. And then there was no error in recording of the said statement. Next paragraph. Be that as it may, in view of the stand taken by the petitioner, filing this review petition, comma, the court is inclined to clarify that notwithstanding the observations made in paragraph 3 of the order dated 20 January 2023, passed in WPC 1749 of 2022, it is clarified that the said observation of this court shall not come in the way of the petitioner to assert his right, title, or interest over the land in question.
Land and house.
Land and house in question. House goes with the land. House goes with the land.
Yes.
Full stop. Accordingly, comma, it is further clarified that the said order dated 20 January 2023 shall not come in the way of the petitioner, namely Govinda Dev, to participate in the proceedings before the Karimganj Municipal Board.
Perhaps
In
the name
terms-
has not been changed.
Huh?
District name changed, board remains the same name perhaps.
Karimganj Municipal, we don't know.
Perhaps
Karimganj
don't-
Municipal
I
Board.
just made it clear for him. So tomorrow it doesn't fall back on us.
That
may be
presently
considered what-
known as
Those has to be.
Sibhumi is the district now.
But-
Karimganj Municipal Board.
Karimganj Municipal Board.
but whether
Wait, say within bracket.
district
The
name
district,
District name
the
Sibhumi.
district name has now been altered to Sri Bhumi.
Sribhumi.
District name, but whether
We are not saying anything,
Just
it's
saying
in bracket.
And different things. We don't question.
not. Please.
Please, sir, please.
Because this has to be a gazette notification. Municipal board name has to be changed by way of a gazette notification. We don't know in that gazette
Yeah.
what has happened.
Not only that, entire district name has been changed, whether Koringanj has been changed or not, there is,
We don't know.
yes,
That's why I said, we said only in bracket.
yes.
You may read that, you may omit to read that. Next para.
Lordship may indicate the other case which we have stated, both of us have stated.
Okay.
Another part, my lord,
7-6.
paragraph 6 of the order.
Yes,
Representation before the petitioner, the liberty to file a
we will
representation.
clarify that.
Yes,
Now we have said principal municipal board.
Board,
We are
board,
not saying chairman or anyone.
yes.
So what I was submitting, my lord, in all fairness, whatever documents are there, let there be examined by the board. Nothing afresh. Afresh, we are not submitting anything.
We are not saying anything in that,
Again,
in the review.
again, we have to submit representation, again documents, again hearing. So all these documents only a date for hearing from 16th. That's what you're saying.
No,
That,
only
that we
clarification.
did not observe.
Yes.
that.
Otherwise, we did
So-
not submit afresh. Those are already there. We have submitted. Only the authority changes. It's an in-house thing.
Next paragraph. The learned counsel for the respondent number 1 has submitted that an order has been passed today by a coordinated bench of this court in WPC so and so.
7620 of 23.
That today I is so and so, that order. Has
7620.
passed an order, comma, they were granting 45 days time to the Silchar, Karimganj Municipal Board.
No,
From 16/12/2024. 45 days from, we have to appear on 16/12
Okay.
and 45 days
3 days
thereafter.
from 16/12/2024
2024.
to decide on the
Representation submitted by us.
representations submitted by the petitioner number 1.
Now here in the respondent number 1.
Huh?
In the review
Oh, sorry,
petition,
respondent number 1,
Respondent
respondent number 1. Next, accordingly, it is provided that notwithstanding the direction contained in paragraph 6 of the order dated 20 January 2023, passed in WPC 1749 of 2022, comma, in connection with the representation under reference, comma, it is further provided that the petitioner herein, comma, if so advised, as well as the respondent number 1 shall appear before the competent authority under the Karimganj Municipal Board,
on 16/12.
so as to enable the said board and its competent authority to examine the grievance of the parties.
From the documents already on record, and if need be, we'll give further.
So not required.
No,
Those you can do.
Lordship.
necessary.
First of, accordingly, comma, the appearance of the parties before the Karimganj Municipal Board, municipal board or municipality?
Municipal board.
Municipal board is fixed on 16/12/2024. Full stop, next para. So, along with the certificate copy of this order. Next para. The directions contained in paragraph 3 and 6 of the order dated 20 January 2024, stands
23.
23 stands modified and clarified to the extent as indicated above. Next paragraph, this order shall be read together with order dated 20 January 2023, passed by this court in WBC 1749 of 2022.
The exercise has to be
Must-
carried out within 45 days from 16/12
That
to.
order
Definitely,
already
that's
there.
already
That,
there.
that outer limit, he may not object to that. I'm not
That
objecting
order
any,
is already
any
in the
prayer.
writ petition.
That entire exercise be carried out within 45 days from 16/12. So
we-
both
since we
stands
are-
12,
Since we are fixing on the same day,
the same day, but the outer limit may be different. So both, little be same outer limit for both, 45 days from 16/12.
it could be-
Both the.
Both may come for
both the
modification.
claims
so that,
same,
so that so that both matters can be disposed of analogously.
analogous, yes, much
16.4 is there because
Yeah.
it can be disposed of analogously.
analogous.
Earlier order is there
Yeah.
to dispose it of within 45 days. Correct.
Much of that. Oh,
Now, that personal question, you caught him by his neck or by hand and brought him here?
By the year. I whispered in the ear.
Oh, whispered in the ear. Yes,
I'm sorry.
it's okay. This, what you call? Item 1. Item 3. Item 3, I rejected the bail application. No, it's okay. It's okay. But in the last paragraph, second last paragraph, I have said something which I have copied from the internet. Now, you can ask your the learned public prosecutor to give us in these cases the updated data. You showing the order, bail application, showing the order. Second last paragraph of the order. Huh. Oh, it's not there. It's not there. Huh. This will have to be. Yeah. Sure, this one more thing. In this, we had called for a record. We segregate that. Oh, it's already done.
Already.
Oh, okay, already done.
That record which was segregated, what
And-
hurt and disposed
And
to
what
be.
happens to this contempt?
No, contempt was closed earlier.
Closed earlier. Okay. This is the order. Just look at the second last paragraph. Mr. Haloi, we'll need your input also. We have made some observation in second last paragraph of the order. You have quoted the newspaper. Lordship, in this order regarding bail in a NDPS matter, I made an observation in this paragraph. I have copied from the web edition of the Sentinel. Now, we need the updated data. At least for this bench, I would need a updated data. Let's just go through it.
Recently in court number 3 lordship, due to failure on the part of the IO lordship to supply the FSL report lordship, one data has been sought from the senior government advocate lordship regarding the pendency of the FSL's lordship. So that data lordship, that case will be taken up on 6th lordship, if I'm not wrong. That is another aspect lordship regarding the FSL report lordship.